everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lana if you're new. And today, I am turning my sister into me. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lana if you're new. Today I have my sister and I'm gonna try to turn her into me. Da, da, da. So usually my sister doesn't wear super heavy eye makeup or lashes or anything. So we're just gonna see what she looks like. Okay, so what makeup did you already do? Foundation, because I have acne scars because I decided to have acne at 20 years old for no reason. And then eyebrows. Yeah, just foundation eyebrows. So we're gonna do eyeshadow, these fat lashes. Oh my god. And lipstick and blush. Yes. So we have this ColourPop. Why don't you explain what the products are? Okay, that's ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in this orangey shade that is similar to Leanna's Cloud Paint in, I don't remember the red one. Oh yes, Cloud Paint in, you didn't even know. Dawn. What are you getting punched? So when I do blush, I like to brush it upwards, kind of like it's a highlight. I don't like leaving blush at the center or out. You're like rubbing my foundation off. Oh, sorry. I don't know how to do other people's makeup. This blush is really not doing much. Okay, use this one. But I also like to put blush on the nose because it has this nice cute e-girl look. Which is exactly what you what you want to be when you grow up. It's too pigmented. Careful. Oh my god. Okay, don't flinch, don't flinch. Why are you wiping my foundation off? Oh my god. It's just how I do blush, okay? It's like smearing it all over the place. So we're gonna do brown. Pick up Guru. This neutral brown shade as a transition color. Tap it off. Don't tell me what to do! Oh my god. I'm gonna try to be very careful because if I fuck up, Irene's never let me touch her face again. Exactly. So I like to bring the eyeshadow into really close to the nose. Just kind of smear it all over the lid. Irene doesn't like to do intense eye looks. She likes to do them so that it doesn't look like she's wearing makeup at all. And you know, that is our difference when it comes to our makeup. It's because I'm at home. Because when I wear more, I just think it looks bad. Because the less you wear, the less could go wrong. That's my motto. These eyeshadows are really good. These are ColourPop? Yeah. I'm surprised. Me too. So how did you get into makeup? When did you decide to be vain? I was tired of being ugly. And it was like college, right? So you can like reinvent yourself and no one's gonna judge you if you wear makeup all of a sudden. That's true. So just be like, oh, she just wears makeup. In high school, if you start wearing makeup out of the blue, people always say something. Oh my god, I like eyeshadow! Why do you look possessed? Just close them normally. Okay. I'm trying to spread my eyelids. I can't remember why I started wearing makeup. I think it was because my friends were wearing mascara and I was like, oh, that looks good. Maybe I want to try it. My god. Just saw the eyeshadow up close. It looks good. Okay. Put it on your... I don't highlight my nose. Now how are we supposed to look alike? Oh. Are you sure? These shadows are ColourPop? They're too creamy. No, they're ColourPop. I'm sure. Yeah. Okay. Why aren't my shadows as good as those? Got ripped off. Can I do my own liner? No. You said I could. I want... Okay, fine. Just do it. There are just some things that I can't do, so I'm just gonna have Irene do her own liner because I don't want to mess up the look. Oh, you do your liner really outwards. Yeah. I should do that too. So I have no eyelashes, but Irene has slightly more eyelashes than me. Out of the womb, she took the eyelashes and she took a fat ass. Oh my god. You took everything else. And I have neither one of those things. But I have the better skin. Yeah, I guess. It's time for the lashes. Oh my god, I'm gonna go blind. It's very scary. I feel like she cut the lashes too small. I have small eyes. I told you. Are you sure? Yes. I don't like the eyeshadow. It's okay. We're turning you into me, not a prettier version of you. Okay, fair. So, whatever. Do I close my eyes or open them? Or like half open. Just... Oh my god. Look down. Oh my god, I hate this. Yes, you cut them too short, bro. What? It's supposed to be a tiny smidge longer. Oh. I know your eyes are small, but they're not that small. Okay, open. Holy shit. Don't open. Don't open. So you can't look at yourself. I can't look at myself, period. I don't have my glasses on. So keep them closed until it dries. Oh my god, what if I glue my eyes shut? What is just glue? My eye is twitching. You're gonna rip this off as soon as we're done, aren't you?
Yes.
I'm so sad.
Take off the excess.
Okay, mush your lips together.
Okay.
No, just...
I don't like, it doesn't, when I mush it, it just stays in the center.
That's the point. You're trying to look like me.
Oh my god.
Okay, do it again.
Is it dry yet? Do I look insane?
Where's the lip gloss?
1 second. I feel like there's a caterpillar on my face.
Okay, let it be known that Irene likes this lip gloss.
Yeah.
It's from M Cosmetics. What is it called?
Something dew, something. Morning dew? Oh yeah, it was like $20 for a clear lip gloss. And it was an impulse buy, but it's really good. But I don't want to buy it again because it's too expensive.
How much was it?
$20.
Oh, it's not that bad for a lip gloss.
It just, oh my, enough.
Stop smearing it with your fingers! I don't smear it.
I feel like there's a whole piece of aloe vera on my mouth. Okay. Oh my god, let's do
The hair reveal. The 2000s rom-com hair down, glasses off.
transformation. Oh my
Transformation.
god. Who is she? She's so hot.
Wait, you still don't look like me.
Oh no. Wait, oh my god, my eyes are glued together.
Wait, oh.
Oh my god.
Okay, problem.
Oh my god.
Problem. No.
I look so insane.
No, I think they look good. I think they look good. Wait.
Oh yeah.
Give me an angle brush. Okay, this one. Let it be known, I don't know how to do eyebrows.
Yeah, I know.
On other people, that is.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, your brows are like done very naturally. I feel like mine are too sparse to just like leave them. And also yours are very like cleanly shaved. I don't really like shaving near my face. Or on my face. I don't like shaving my face at all. I want to make your brows more dense. So that they match the eye look.
Like an angry bird.
What?
Angry? You know when you do your eyebrows first and you look like an angry bird?
Like from the game?
No, because like your eyebrows are super thick but nothing else is like made up. So you just look like an angry bird.
Like an angry bird not from the game?
Not from the game.
Okay, spoolie. You're gonna hate these brows.
I know.
Well, I think you look pretty.
Oh my god. I feel like I look like high school you, but fatter. Don't I?
No?
What are you talking about? I think it's the hair.
Okay, what else can I do to make you look like me? I guess, let's just pretend you have a lob.
Okay. Oh yeah. Bad posture.
Alright, I'm done.
Okay.
Let's get a thumbnail picture.
Oh my god, I hate this. I feel like I look like an ABG.
Oh, you know, it takes a lot more than makeup to be an ABG.
No, oh my god, I really look like one.
We don't even look anything alike. Okay, so that's it, everybody. We're done with this makeup. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think?
I can't see. I don't think at all. Oh my god. I look sunburnt. I think the lashes cover up a world of hurt.
Yeah, see? Lashes solve everything. You should definitely wear them.
Okay.
Do you like the lashes? Do you like them better than you thought you would?
Yeah, actually. I don't look that crazy. But I don't think I'm gonna wear them ever again.
What do you think of the eyeshadow work?
Not very good. I'm just being honest.
And then the blush?
The blush is horrendous.
And then what?
You literally scraped off all my foundation.
Okay, I'm really rough with my blush because I don't wear foundation, so it's fine to just press it on and smear it. What do you think of the lips?
I don't like them.
So you hate it. You hate everything.
Actually, the lips are fine. Lips are fine.
You throw me a bone.
Yeah.
What do you think of the brows?
They're not bad, actually.
I filled them in darker than you did them.
Yeah, I think it balances out with the whole look.
Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Bye! Do we look similar at all?
No. No.
Oh, we kind of look similar.
Oh my god.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's really it. Okay, bye!
Okay, bye.
My nails.
Oh my god.